Welcome to Meterian, a cybersecurity company. In this video, we will show you how to analyze an open source project using the Meterian Client. Open your browser and go to www.meterian.com. Click the big blue button and log in using one of your identities. I chose GitHub for the occasion. After your successful login, click on the Client tab and initiate the download. Remember, you will need a Java 8 compatible environment to use the client. Once the client has been successfully downloaded, please try a dry run to see that everything is okay, launching it with --help. The client will display a help summary. This means that everything is working correctly. Well done! Why don't we try Meterian on an open source project? Let's check out the .NET project .NET on GitHub. First, let's get the URL of the project in order to clone it. Then, we clone it on our machine. Once the clone is finished, let's go into the newly created folder and simply execute the Meterian client. The first time you execute the client, unless you have an authorization token to use, a new browser window will be opened to allow you to sign in and store the results of the analysis in your account. When you go back to the command line, you will see that the client is progressing and, after a few seconds, it will show you the results of the analysis. Oh no, that did not go well. The security score is 0, which is quite concerning, and also the stability score is not very good, while the licensing score is also quite low. What did go wrong? Let's open the URL with the full report. Okay, now you can see the full report. The scores are on the top right corner of the screen, looking like small badges. You can see 3 summary diagrams detailing the problems of the project. In the first diagram, representing the security of the project, there are 3 vulnerable components out of a total of 172. In the second diagram, representing the stability of the project, there are 18 components that could be patched, while there are also other upgrades available. In the third diagram, representing the state of the licenses of the components used in the projects, there are 12 components that do not declare a license. If you click on the shield icon on the bottom right corner, you can quickly jump to the security section of the report. You can see the details of the 3 vulnerable components and their vulnerabilities. A rich set of information is provided, and also, where available, are highlighted the version of such component that are safe to use. If you click on the newspaper icon on the bottom right corner, you can now focus on the stability report, where you can see the full upgrade path for every component directly used by .NET. Notice the number of patch versions available, which can potentially improve the stability of the application. For the last part of the journey, we can click now on the book icon on the bottom right corner. Now you can focus on the licensing report, where you can see for every component included in your final package the licenses that it is using. Notice that some components are not declaring any license. This is something you surely will want to fix. Notice also that you can easily group your components based on their licenses. This brings us to the end of this brief demo. Thanks for your time. We are looking forward to having you on our platform.